Back to the channel, guys. So today I wanted to do an unboxing and initial impressions video on the Jaeger LeCoultre Reverso. So this particular model is the large classic and small seconds. So this is everything that came from the dealer, and so let's get unboxing. So it has a very nice sort of gold box that comes in, cardboard, and then here you have the actual watch. So this section comes down. We've got so this is the actual watch box. Sounds like some type of, maybe like a fiberboard or something like that. Very nice. It's has like the soft touch velvety feel to the bottom, so I'll put that to the side. So what else in the box? I don't know what that little tab is for, but the warranty card. So Jaeger LeCoultre, they give an 8-year warranty now, which is nice. So this is just a tag, and I guess some more warranty information, and then owner's manual. So this is for the classic medium small seconds, classic large small seconds, and also the duo face. So this particular watch is actually it was a present for my wife for the birth of our first daughter. So this watch is already sort of like a forever watch. I don't think I'll ever be getting rid of this particular watch. And anyways, so let's get this thing open and see what it's like. So there it is. Really nice box. But there's the watch. Pick that up. Oh man, this is it's absolutely stunning. It's definitely it's smaller than you may think it is. So even though this is the large, it's the dimensions are I think it's like 45 and a half, like 45.6 lengthwise, and then the width is just 27.4 millimeters. So you know, it's, even though it's called the large, it really isn't that large at all. But yeah, let's get this taken off. Wow, that's sort of neat to have the little strap for the pin buckle. Put this to the side. Oh man, this is such a nice watch. So I hope you can see in camera. Try to focus in, but wow, this is so sorry, I'm sort of at a loss for words. I'm just very excited about this watch. So it's really quite very fetching. So yeah, so everybody sort of knows the story behind the Reverso, and it's just a classic timepiece. And you know, it's sort of a dress watch. Let's get this open. So obviously this is the party piece where you can, you know, with the back side of the watch, you can some particular models like the duo face have an additional time zone on the back. This particular model doesn't. This is like great for engraving. I think I'll probably have my daughter's name and date of birth or something engraved. But wow, this is such a that's such a satisfying click to open and close to make it go reverso. This is, wow, this is, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's so smooth. And then obviously on the back you have like this machined sort of machined back plate, and it sort of looks like a I don't know, like a Bentley or something would, or any car guys on the channel, if you know what the Bentley Arnage T from back in the day looked like, the gauge cluster used to have this machined finish, and that just looks beautiful. Anyways, this is, I should probably take the stickers off. Oop, let me close this first. So yeah, so basically the entirety of the watch is polished. Some, actually, yeah, I guess the back is sort of satin, but the lugs, everything else, you know, the entire watch is polished. Let me try to do this on camera. It's actually quite difficult. There you go. I think that's all the stickers. Yeah. No, there's more. More on the back. I don't know if you can tell, but this is actually my first time opening this watch. Wow, it's actually a lot shinier without the stickers. Wow, that's so yeah, so this is the large small seconds. It's got the in-house Jaeger LeCoultre, or Jaeger if you're American, or just JLC. In-house JLC movement. And I think this is, it's a manual wind, and we'll sort of listen to this. Oh man, that's such a satisfying winding. If you can hear that. Wow, that sounds so nice. I think there's more stickers still. Yep, right here. Okay. Man, this is a gorgeous watch. I'm sort of at a loss for words. Anyway, so it has the in-house CALIBRE 822, I think it's called. And it's manual wind, 19 joules, I think like 30 feet water resistant, and 42-hour power reserve. But, oh man, it just sounds so good. Sorry, people. I'm actually at a loss for words. Just the blue hands are so beautiful. It's, let me put this at 10 and 2 so you can see better. So it's obviously very Art Deco in design. It's got this, let me see, can't really just focus in for some reason, but it's got this guilloché pattern, both in the center of the watch and then also in the small seconds. There's sort of like a step down and then more guilloché on the inside. And so this sort of like a silvery white dial, very classic sort of Art Deco numerics, very clean design, very simple. It's yeah, it's just a classic watch. I've tried these on at the store many times, and obviously these newer ones are a little bit curved on the back, which is supposed to help you help it sit better on the wrist. And then the modern watches, most of them come with this Falliano designed leather strap. And Falliano is a boot maker, a saddle maker. So let me actually try this on. So let me take my watch off, put this one on. So this is, my wrist is pretty small, relatively, about 15 to 16 centimeters. And anyways, so they come with this strap, which isn't designed by Falliano, or isn't produced by Falliano. I think it's made in France, this particular strap, from JLC, or one of their, I guess, subcontractors. But my wrist is, 15 to 16 centimeters. And obviously this is the large watch, and it fits beautifully. It doesn't feel oversized, like you might expect it to be, considering it's a large. And man, just these blued hands are so, they're just playing so nicely in the light. I don't know if I can really capture it on camera, but try to zoom in on this thing. Oh man, what a gorgeous watch. Actually, you can't really see the on the camera, the Jaeger LeCoultre, the logo seems pretty visible, but actually in person it's so tiny that you wouldn't really notice it. It's not a very showy watch, even though it is pretty shiny. It's very, very subtle. Oh man, this thing is so nice. Sorry guys, this video is sort of coming out to be not so great, just because I'm just sort of in awe of this this watch, just drooling over it. Anyways, let's open this again. Oh wait, there's a sticker back here too. Oop, that was on the back. Ooh, now you can really see the shine of the machined in the back. Wow, that is so nice. Yeah, guys, so I'm definitely I'm like mesmerized by this thing right now. It's such a beautiful watch. So this is my first JLC. I've wanted this for a very long time, and you know, for one reason or another, I never really got it. Wow, this thing is so nice. But one of the great things about this, back to the strap, so it isn't designed by, it isn't produced by Falliano, but it is designed by them, and it's pretty soft, very supple, considering it's a brand new strap, and it's also got these tabs to you know, switch out the strap, which is very nice. And I actually did buy another strap for this, a green one, and I'll do another video maybe on showing how to replace the strap. But yeah, I just really like this watch. It's so very nice. Yeah, let me put it on again. I can just see it now, guys. You're gonna like rip me apart in the comments for being so incoherent. Just sort of babbling on, but here's the watch. It's very thin. I think it's about 8.5, 9 millimeters thick, which is very thin considering, you know, it's reverses. That's looks like under a sweater cuff. I don't think you would have any problems wearing this under, you know, dress cuff or anything like that. But yeah, let's continue on with the unboxing. So here we have the extra box. I think this is just a case for the. It's just looks like a carrying case for the watch, which is very nice. Good to have when you're traveling. Yes, here's a watch again. But yeah, the size is actually incredible. It's not, it's very light on the wrist. It's, you know, it just feels like I'm almost not wearing anything. It's very light. It's, the size is just perfect for my, you know, wrist. I do have a smaller wrist. And, I've also, you know, I guess when I was looking at this this particular watch, I tried on several ones. At one point I tried on the duo face large, as well the boutique, and I guess one thing that I really like about that particular one is that you do get instead of a pin buckle, you get a deploying clasp on it. And actually, it's just a few thousand. I think it's like $2,000 more than this particular watch, but you do get sort of the benefit of having, you know, 2 time zones, because when you flip it over, you'll have another time zone that you can set. But the duo face is actually quite. It's a very thick watch, and in the large size, you know, it was definitely maybe 2 or 3 millimeters in length more, which on my wrist it just didn't sit too well. It looked a little bit oversized, and I think if you're gonna get a dressier watch, you want it to be sort of subtle, and I don't think it's the duo face edition is as subtle, unless you go for maybe the smaller, the mid-sized, which I personally thought was a little small, and then the large was a little too large. So you know, this this particular version for me was just the perfect size. And then I got surprised with it, which was, you know, quite nice. So anyways, guys, I'm sorry for, you know, just babbling on and on. I think I want to make you listen to the, oh man, the winding is so, it's so satisfying. Man, it sounds so nice. Just for comparison, this is a Bell & Ross that is also manual wind. So if you can see the difference in the wind. Like, this just sounds so much better. I guess what do you expect from the watchmakers, right? So, but yeah. anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching the video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. This is such a beautiful watch. You know, in terms of rectangular watches, there's this, and then there's also the Cartier Tank, I think, is on a similar level. But for me personally, I just think the whole Art Deco design of this thing, the Guilloché, there's so much detailing, so much work, all handmade. It's beautiful, supple strap. And then, you know, just, I love JLC. Even though this is my first watch, I definitely understand why it is so loved in the watch community. But yeah, so there's the Cartier Tank, which is also a great, maybe an alternative to this. But for me personally, I think just the Reverso, it's such a classic piece. It's just a must in your collection. And especially with these newer watches, because they are sort of curved around with the lugs sort of coming down. I don't think they wear as not as harshly, but they sort of adhere to the curves of your wrist better than some of the older versions. So that's something to consider. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like, please comment if you like to start a discussion, and please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get a following together. In this particular video, I'm sorry for just babbling on and on, but yeah, I'm just in love with this watch right now. I'm enamored with it, and this is definitely going to be in my collection for a very, very long time. Yeah. Anyways, thanks again. See you in the next video. Bye bye.